We had 3 million masks that were stopped by U.S. officials coming out of 3M in South Dakota.
Doug Ford's day started with a lot of anxiety thanks to Canada's biggest ally, the U.S. interrupting Ontario's supply of masks in a time of crisis, allowing just 500,000 of the 3 million masks to go through.
It's serious. We're down to a week. If this 500,000 comes in, that will buy us another week.
Hard-hit Quebec was also counting supplies in days, 14 for gloves, just 13 for masks, while doctors are counting them shift by shift.
These PPEs have become like currency, where we feel like there's going to be a scarcity of it imminently, and it's very scary that we even have to consider that our health could potentially be at risk if this isn't available.
Those tallies added up to a health system crisis if Canada's U.S. supply got cut off, a point Canada made repeatedly to the United States.
There are very productive conversations ongoing, and we expect those shipments to be delivered.
The Prime Minister didn't make any threats, didn't hint at retaliation. Instead, officials pressed the U.S. and 3M to keep supplies moving.
I can also announce today that we have reached an agreement.
An agreement not with Canada, but with 3M, the giant manufacturer of medical equipment Trump targeted with his export ban. The president says he got what he wanted.
166.5 million masks for our frontline healthcare workers. So the 3M saga ends very happily.
A happy ending for Trump, and it turns out for Canada, as 3M issued a statement tonight confirming that its deal with Trump allows it to keep shipping masks to Canada, averting a cross-border crisis in the middle of a global one. David Cochran, CBC News, Ottawa.